Another question about does adding a spacer increase offset? Actually, spacer do not lower offset. They increase the back spacing of the wheel, which push it farther out or close to the fender. Offset is a measurement from the mounting surface to the center of the wheel. So without changing the wheel dimension, how will you change offset? Many people have argued that the wheel spacer causes vibration. Actually, as we know, change one thing, it affects others. In fact, wheel spacers in themselves don't cause vibration. They're just increasing the car's sensitivity to a persisting problem. Wheel spacer could be magnifying aesthetic imbalance or out of round condition in tires, so will not cause vibration.